Okay, after immigration, we're now going to the tax refund. So 28. Gate 28. Let's go. Tax refund. So may mga kiosks. Medyo madami ng tao, of course. Expected. Merong may counter, merong may self-service. Right. Cash. Cash, cash, cash. Okay. $5 and 1,001. So, nangyayari pala, ganito. Pag yung sa, yung may window, pag naubusan siya ng 1, papapilahin kanya doon sa machine. Ayaw na namin pumila sa machine. So, sinabi namin, yung yen na lang. Wala na daw siyang yen. Kulang na daw. So, dollars na lang. So, may $5 kami. Isang resibo lang naman pinapalit namin. Yung Doc Martens. Okay. So, sana helpful.